For the purpose of this video, we have removed the engine from the vehicle to provide a clearer view of the process required to change the timing chain. All auxiliaries and wiring loom have also been removed. You will need the blueprint timing chain kit, a new water pump, and blueprint sealant, and any fluids that need replacing during this operation. Unbolt, disconnect, and remove the vacuum pump pipe. Unbolt and remove the rocker cover. Unbolt and remove the vacuum pump and inspect the seals and replace if necessary. Using a pulley holding tool, unbolt and remove the water pump pulley. Then unbolt and remove the engine mounting bracket, followed by the water pump. You'll now need to set the number 1 cylinder to top dead center. Turn the crankshaft pulley until the marks on the crankshaft pulley and camshaft are aligned with their designated timing marks. Using a pulley holding tool, loosen the crankshaft pulley retaining bolt and remove the pulley. Inspect the pulley for damage and wear, as this is a torsional vibration damper type pulley, and replace if necessary. You can now remove the timing cover, which also houses the oil pump. Now remove the chain tensioner assembly and timing chain tensioner rail. Unbolt and remove the timing chain guide. Unbolt the camshaft timing sprocket and remove it together with the timing chain. And then remove the crankshaft timing sprocket. Clean the contact surfaces on the engine, ensuring no debris enters the inner working of the engine. Inspect the crankshaft sprocket using a vernier caliper. Inspect the timing chain using a spring scale. Apply 140 newtons to the timing chain and then measure a length of 8 links. Doing this in 3 separate places and comparing to the manufacturer's figures will indicate the degree of wear that the chain and sprockets have sustained. You can now begin to replace all the timing components using the blueprint timing chain kit. First, fit the new crankshaft timing sprocket. Then fit the new camshaft sprocket and timing chain together. It is important to make sure that the camshaft and crankshaft sprocket timing marks are aligned with the gold-colored links of the timing chain. You can now fit the new timing chain guide, the tensioner rail and tensioner assembly. Tighten the bolts to the correct torque as outlined by the vehicle manufacturer. Remove the pin from the chain tensioner assembly. Replace the oil pump O-rings. Clean the contact surfaces of the timing chain cover and fit the new crankshaft oil seal. Apply sealant to the timing chain cover and engine and then refit the timing chain cover. Check the original water pump for any wear or damage and replace if necessary. After fitting the pump, tighten the bolts to the correct torque as outlined by the vehicle manufacturer. Refit the timing case cover. Refit the engine mounting bracket and tighten the bolts to the correct torque as outlined by the vehicle manufacturer. Refit the crankshaft pulley, vacuum pump and water pump pulley, ensuring all bolts are tightened to the correct torque. Replace the old rocker cover gasket. Refit the rocker cover and vacuum pump pipe. Refit all engine auxiliaries. Ensure you replace the engine oil and filter using the correct grade of oil. Fill cooling system with new coolant. Run the engine to ensure there are no leaks and road test to ensure correct operation of the vehicle.